Onpassive is in the calm before the massive storm of powerful, disruptive digital products tracking to deluge the internet. The storm has been brewing for over 5.5 years, and the smart are running straight into this storm because this storm is not harmful, it is beneficial. The ones who think that this storm will hurt them are in for a gut check when they see that those right in the eye of the storm are happy and excited. They have ridden this storm out. The people who didn't react are sad that they listened to the wrong weather forecasters, and those who took no heed to all the warnings about the Onpassive storm will have to live with the consequences of not believing. The financial winds are just off the coast of the shores. Mr. Ash Mafara and his staff have prepared those of us who have listened to get ready for the greatest financial storm of our lives. When the storm subsides, the calm sets in. We are going to benefit immensely from the sacrifices being made by Mr. Mufare and the incredible staff in Hyderabad, India. We cannot feel the effects of what is happening, but the ones who are seriously at the forefront battling every situation in getting Onpassive off to the best start of any company to open for business online and offline. They are fighting to save us, saving all from financial fatigue and ruin. In a world where people have lost faith in trying to make a positive difference in their families' lives. That vision is very alive and doing well. Onpassive is a monumental task of goodness that will affect billions of people when we stand united as a family of loyal early bird affiliates. Onpassive prevails. We will start seeing some of the benefits monetarily when the products are released to the world. Stay the course with Onpassive all the way. No one else looks after us, Mr. Mufare, the way you and your staff are doing. The ones who are positive continue to work. If we are together on the inside of Onpassive, we are going to make it enormously. We do not have anything about which to worry. We are in good hands. We early bird affiliates await the floodgates to be broken through and a massive outpouring of financial waters. Flood us with unimaginable abundance from this massive financial storm.